Hey, a lot of you have been wondering how I healed up that shiner so fast. So, I'm going to show you. This was sustained after a concussion and a bike accident about 6 days ago. You can see a little bit of the scraping remains, but this thing is healed incredibly fast. First thing I do is I use something like this. This is a Derma roller. And I'll Derma roll all those little abrasions. These little micro needles. They kind of open up the tissue a little bit. So I'll do my whole face. Now that I'm all dermabrazed, I'm going to put this clay mask on with a little bit of apple cider vinegar. I also put it in my hair because it's amazing for your hair as well. So I go all over the face and the hair. I'll keep this on about 20 minutes till it dries, and then I'll wash it off and show you guys what it looks like. I will follow this up with the key. Now, if you really want to enhance the effects of your clay mask as it's drying, I'm going to show you an amazing biohack. It's called a Juve light. You can actually flip it on and bathe your mask. You want to wear sunglasses. These lamps come with sunglasses, or just close your eyes. As it dries in your face, you blast your face or whatever area of the skin where you're trying to get rid of a scar or wrinkles. Hey, you guys. Once it's all said and done, that's what it looks like. That's your reverse aging on your face.